Hello everyone, this is Alex from China, from Shandong Dajin Geoscientific, and welcome to our show. In this live show, I will introduce about our company and also about our popular product, the HDPE geomemory, and I will introduce about the specification of the HDPE geomemory and also the product, the production process, and also the project applications for your reference. And so during the live show, and if you have any question about our company and also about the product, the HDP gem memory, and please feel free to contact me, and I will do my best to support you and also give you some suggestion and the solution for your project. Okay. Our company Shandong Dajin Geosynthetic is a manufacturer of the geosynthetic material for 21 years since 2002, and we have more than 21 years experience of the geosynthetic industry. And our production has followed the ISO quality control system. ISO 1401, ISO 901, ISO 4501. Okay, let me show you the certification. And you can see this is the ISO 1401 certification. And we also have the ISO 901. And you can see this is the ISO 1901 certification. ISO 1901 certification. And we also have the ISO 4501 certification. Yes. The production follows the ISO quality control system. So from the raw material beginning and during the production process, and when the product is finished, all the production follows the ISO quality control system. And also, with a very strict quality control the system, our QA and QC can ensure the production, the quality, the standard. And okay, and also our geomemory can be helpful for the different project, civil engineering project. For example, our geomemory like this. Our geomemory, HDP geomemory. And this one is the LDP. This one is LDP. And our HDP geomemory have supported many different countries and different projects. For example, the fish pond, the swamp pond, the landfill project, the water treatment, the oil and gas project, the mining, the tilling, the heap leaching project, and the water reservoir, water treatment, and also the other many different projects in many countries. And for example, our HDP geomemory are very popular in Kenya, Australia, Philippines, Indonesia, Philippines, Malaysia, Thailand, like other many different Tanzania, like this, many different countries. And there are many different customers for this product. Also, like in the newer project, the final user of the geomemory for the fish pond, the swamp pond, and also the wholesaler distribution of the friend, and they do the distribution. And also some clients will also do the contractor, like a contractor, and they will do the contractor of the project construction. So this is a simple introduction for our company, and then I will introduce more about our product, the specification, and also the production process, and also the project case. Okay. You can see this is the HDP geomemory, and I will introduce you one by one. For example, the first one is the color. The color, you can see these are different color, and you can see our sample room. There are different color of the geometry, and the popular color is the blank color. The blank color, because the blank color has the common blank, which can add the anti-UV property of the geometry. So with the common blank, the property of the geometry can be longer when under the sunshine. So it is very helpful for the UV resistance. Yes, and also other color can be done, like this is the green color and also other color, and also this is the transparent color. Transparent, you can see this color. Yeah? You can see this, the transparent color, and this one is don't have the common blank, and the thickness is very thin, and the popular color is the blank color. Blank. Yes. Okay, this is color, and okay, and another specification is about the thickness. The thickness. The thickness. And you can see, I will test this one for you. And this one is 0.75, and our production can produce a very large thickness range. We can produce from 0.3 millimeter thickness to 3 millimeter thickness. 0.3 to 3, yes. And the popular thickness of the geometry is, for example, the 0.5, 0.5, 0.75, 1 millimeter, 1.5, and the 2 millimeter thickness are very popular for the geometry. And for example, for the feet pound, strong pound, some clients will use the 0.5, 0.75, and 1 meter thickness the geometry. And for the landfill project, the mining project, and also the water treatment, the oil gas project, some clients will use the 1.5 or 2 millimeter thickness. And for the mining project, especially for the tailing and the heap leaching pound of the mining project, they will use the 2.0 thickness or the 3 millimeter thickness. So there are different the thickness requirement for different projects. That's why we can produce the very large thickness range. Okay, and for the thickness, there are different requirements for the different project, and you can tell us your project the application, and we can give you some suggestion or recommend the suitable thickness for you. Okay, this is the second specification, the thickness, and also about the width. Normally, the geometry is like a roll. It is packing. It is produced like a roll, like this, like a roll, and the roll width. And the roll width we can produce from 1 meter to 8 meter, 1 meter to 8 meter. And the popular width of the geometry roll is 5.8, 5.8, 7 meter and 8 meter. 5.8 and 7 meter and 8 meter. For example, for the 20 feet container, the popular the width is 5.8 meter. But for the 40 feet container, the 7 meter and the width meter is popular. Yeah, it is very popular for different size and also the project. And for example, for the feet pound and for the strong pound, the water reservoir, the 5.8 meter is popular because it is very easy to load and also to pull from one area to another area. But for the landfill project and the mining project, the 7 meter and 8 meter are popular. Because for the bigger civil engineering project, the wide width of the road can have the less welding area. For example, as you know, the geometry it is do the installation by welding to layers of the geometry by the welding machine. We also have the welding machines. there will be an overlap like this, about 10 centimeter to 10 15 centimeter. And when the overlap, it is welded by the welding machine. So if the width of the geometry is very large, like the 7 meter or 8 meter, the welding point will be very less, and the leak rate is very low. So that's why for the landfill project and mining project, they will use the 7 meter width or the 8 meter width. Okay, this is the third one, specification of the geometry. And now another fourth one is the length. Like this. The row, the length, yes. The length of the row. And normally the row length is not very special. 50 meter, 100 meter, 150, 140, 200 meter is no problem. And we can do the special the row size for you. And also you can tell me your, for example, the water pound the size, and I can calculate for you the space, the workable, the geometry size for you, the width and the length. So you can don't have any waste on the material and can save you more cost. Okay, and about the surface, and I will show you different surface. And you can see this one, the surface is rough one. You can see the flake area rough, but this one I will have a compare. And this one is the smooth surface, smooth. This is the different surface of the geometry, and the popular one is the double side smooth, smooth. And also we can do the one side smooth and the one side texture, one side texture and one side smooth. And we can also do double side texture. So there are many people will ask, why use the texture surface over the geometry? Why? Let me give you a simple show. Okay, this one. This is the geotextile. Can see. Not easy to sleep. But if I put on this one, very smooth. Yeah. So the texture surface can add the friction of the geometry, and it can be used in the big slope and can keep the slope stability. So it is very helpful for the large slope of the landfill project, the mining project, and also it is very anti-slip for the workers on the slope. It is very safe for the big project. Okay, this is another specification for the geometry. Okay, and about the production, the process of the geometry, I will introduce later. And let me think about the specification, the thickness, the color, the surface, the width, and the length. Okay, this is about all the specification for the geometry. And if you have any question about the geometry, and you can send me a message and also send me your inquiry about the geometry, and I will send you some projected videos and also the solution for your reference. And because we have 21 years experience of the geometry, and we have finished many successful projects. the project, the solution can be helpful for your project too. Okay. Okay, this is the specification introduction for the geomemory. And if you need the symbol of the geomemory, we can send you the A4 side like this. A4, yeah, A4 side free for you, and you only pay for the AI Express cost, the FIDES, DHL, like the EBS. You only pay for the air cost. The A4 size symbol are free. Okay. And about the geomemory, the production, and for example, we will buy the raw material from Saudi Arabia and from the world famous the supply of the resin, the HDPE resin, and also same as the Somex and also like other the world famous geomemory supply in the world. And all the material, the resin are from the Saudi Arabia, and we import from the resin from the manufacturer, and then we do the production of the geomemory. And I was let me show you. About the production. We have a 3-line extrusion machine equipment, and how to say how to say you how to say oh, this is a question here. You can obviously use some the production videos and the process video for reference. We import the resin from the Saudi Arabia, and when the raw material arrive at our port, we will do the material test, and also we will do the inspection of the resin. If the resin is workable, and we will do the transposition to our warehouse, and then we will start the production according to the client's the requirement. For example, if one client needs the ASTM standard 1.5 millimeter thickness, we will choose the right HDPE geomembrane and also the carbon blank material for the geomembrane. And also we will put into the equipment, and also there will be an automatic mixing machine. It can be ensured that the raw material, the resin is very virgin and there is no polluted material. So the geomembrane, the property can be granted at the beginning. And our the thoroughly extruding welding machine will heat up the temperature of the raw material, and the raw material begin to melt. And when the melt liquid goes through the extruder, and then we will go to into a mold, and the mold can control the thickness of the roux and the geomembrane. So when the geomembrane it is mixed with the release, it will finished. It will become a Bible at the last. Started at the resin, and then the melting liquid, and then became a bubble. Yeah. The bubble, the diameter is the width of the geomembrane, and we can control the diameter of the bubble. So it is very not very hard, and we because we have many years of the production experience. And for the Bible, after the Bible is like this. It will be pulled up at our machine, pulled up. At this area, at the molding area, the temperature is very high, so there will be some the cool rain to cool down the geomembrane the film. And when the geomembrane film is pulled up, and it can be cooled down, and the property of the geomembrane can be very strong through the pull method. And when the geomembrane, the Bible at about 38 meters high, and it will be clamped down. Yeah, clamped down. And then there will be a cut. And cut the Bible into the row width. For example, this one bubble, the diameter is 8 meters, so it will become a 8-meter row, the width of the row, like this. And then we will do the rolling. Yeah, do the rolling. We will do the rolling and then do the packing of the roll. Yes. So the production process is not very hard, and you can tell us the requirement, the thickness, the color, and the width and the length, the size. Yeah, and we can do the customize the size for you. That's no problem. Okay. And about the production time, because our material are imported from the Saudi Arabia, and so the production time is normally 7 days to 14 days, 1 week to 2 weeks. And if your specification is a popular one, for example 0.75, 1 millimeter, 1.5 millimeter thickness, like this, the production time can be very fast, can be 3 days to 10 days. Yeah. So it is very fast for the project and also for the delivery. Yeah. Okay. And also for the geomembrane the project case, and for example in Indonesia, Philippines, Malaysia, and our customer use the geomembrane for the fish pond, the water reservoir project very mostly because this area are near the sea, and there are many the waters for fish and shrimp. And our customer uses 0.75, the 1 millimeter thickness for the fish pond, the fish tank, like this, eco quarter pond. And also in some other countries, for example, the Thailand, the Philippines, Malaysia, and also in other countries, the landfill project is also very workable. And our clients use a 1.5 millimeter thickness and 2 millimeter thickness for the landfill project. 1.5 and 2 millimeter thickness, and the property of the geomembrane, the requirement is the ASTM GM13 standard. So the property is very high, and also we will send you the test report when we finish the production and during the delivery and the overloading. Okay. So this is the landfill project, and also for the mining project, our customer use a 2 millimeter thickness for the mining. For example, the Tanzania, our customer use a 2 millimeter thickness for the mining tailings, and the size is 7 meter by width and 100 meters by length. Yeah, it is very big road. Yeah. And okay, this is the application for the geomembrane, and also there are some other applications for the geomembrane, like the water treatment. In Thailand, we have customer use a 1.5 millimeter thickness HDPE geomembrane for the water treatment, and the water treatment project use 1.5, and also other clients in Philippines and in Thailand use 1.5 millimeter thickness for the biogas digester. Biogas digester, yeah, biogas digester for with 1.5 millimeter thickness HDPE geomembrane. And okay, for another project, for example, the root barrier in Australia, our customer use 1.5 and 2 millimeter thin for the root barrier, like the landscaping, the application. Yeah, yeah. And also in some the different countries in Kenya, our customer use 1 millimeter thickness, 0.5 millimeter thickness, and 1 millimeter thickness for the fish pond and the water reservoir. Because in the Africa area, the rain is very less, and some area don't have enough the water for the irrigation. So the water reservoir will use the 1 millimeter thickness normally for the water pond and for the irrigation. Yeah. And for other different project, for like the Peru and in other countries, the landfill project and the mining project are very popular. For example, in Iraq, our oil and gas customer use a 1.5 millimeter thickness HDPE geomembrane for the oil and the gas pumps. For drilling, maybe for drilling and for fresh water, and also for the fresh water and for the clean water for the drilling. Yeah, they will do some the mud pit liner. Yeah, it is very helpful for the different project. Okay. So this is about the HDP geomembrane, about the specification, the production, the process, and also the application. And some customer are interested about our company, the Shandong Dajin Geosynthetic. Shandong Dajin Geosynthetic company is a manufacturer and also the solution provider of the geosynthetic material. We have 21 years geosynthetic experience, and our product have the geomembrane like this, the geomembrane. There are many the samples of the geomembrane, and also the geotextile, and also we have the geograde, geonet, GCLs, and the woven geotextile for different projects. And our the production process follow the ISO quality control system. Our production process follows the ISO quality control system. And we have finished many different project case in many countries. So if you have any question about your project and about your the product inquiry, you can tell us, and we can send you a projector. We can send you a projector solution, and also the projector, the videos, and the project videos for your reference, because we have many different project successful case, and we can send you for your reference. Yes. So let me see. Any question about the geomembrane? Hi. Okay, waiting for somebody about the questions. Okay, there is no question about our product. Thank you. And thank you for your time, and welcome to our company. And our company is located in Shandong Province, in Jinan City, Shandong Province in China. And now everything is okay in China. Welcome to China, and welcome to our company. And you can check the production process by your team and by your eyes. Yes, it is very helpful to confirm the quality by your hand. Okay. Okay. Thank you for your time. Thank you. Bye bye.